Hello everyone. In this video we are thrilled to introduce the updated QuickSee Free Pro keratometry version 6, which brings advanced features to enhance your experience when performing vision exams. Together with this update, the updated QuickSee Free companion app version 2 has been launched, maximizing the potential of these new capabilities. One of the standout features of this update is the introduction of detailed results, which offer deeper insights into the patient's refraction by incorporating the calculation of high-order Czernicki coefficients. Let's take a closer look at these features. So, the QuickSee Free companion app is available on Windows, Android, and macOS. Download it from the Plenoptica website, Google Play, or the Apple App Store, and then you can just install it as a regular application. After launching the app, you will land on the device sections, where you can scan from nearby QuickSee Free devices and connect to them. Then, in the lateral menu, you will find the different sections, including the support section and the patient log, which will show all the records from your devices. Let's start using it. So now I have this window here that is connected to the QuickSee Free Pro, so we can see what's going on here. To connect to a device, ensure that the device is in discoverable mode by toggling the Bluetooth. Then the device will appear in the other available devices, so we can click on it to establish the connection. To connect, we have to enter the 4-digit codes that appear in the device. Now that we are connected, the companion app will check if there is an update available. We will see a message like this, so let's update our device. Once it is updated, it will turn off and it will disconnect from the app. Once we have the firmware updated, we can connect back to it by putting the Bluetooth back in discoverable mode and selecting the device again. Now we are not required the 4-digit security code. In this screen we have the patient information that we can edit once we have a measurement and the area where the measurements will appear. We can disconnect and enter the settings to change some of the device settings. We also have some of its information. So let's see if we can take a measurement. So let's open the camera, I align the QuickSee Free, and I start the measurement. Once this measurement is finished, it will appear both in the device and in the QuickSee Free companion. Okay, the result is ready, and we see in the device that we have the refraction section and the keratometry. This data is also available in the companion app. And now from these new versions we have the detailed results. So let's check them. We have our pupil image, expanded keratometry results, we have the pupil size with some statistics, we have the spot diagram, and we have the high order coefficients. In addition, we have the wavefront map and a simulated image of how the patient looks without correction and with the correction. This same information is also available from the companion app, where we can enter the detailed result screen to see the same information and with some usability improvements. For example, the wavefront map, we can choose the low order aberration or the high order aberration or both of them combined. And for the Czernicki coefficients, again, we can choose the low order or the high order. Here we have added the root mean square error that serves as a magnitude to see how important these aberrations are. Finally, we have the retinal image quality that are simulation of how the patient sees with uncorrected and with the auto-refraction correction. In this case, the subjective refraction as well as the current glasses are not available, but we can solve it. We can come to this screen and we can say, for example, the subjective refraction is -1 diopters. And for OS, let's say just, -0.5. For current glasses, let's say we have a -0.5 and -0.5. So let's back again to the detailed results page, and we will see that now these both sections are available, so we can see how it looks with the subjective refraction and with the current glasses. Now let's imagine we have taken several measurements per eye for the same patient, and we want to generate a printable report that can be handled to the patient. We open the menu, generate patient report. Here we can change some settings, as including some information about the store or even loading a logo, for example, our logo. We click OK, we select the sections, we decide if we want to use objective, and we decide which measurements we want to take. We click on Generate Report, we choose where to save it, and we can generate it. Now in the report, we can see the logo and the information we choose in the settings, and we find the evaluation to help assess if the patient current glasses are in agreement with the refraction results. In the first page, we find also the keratometry, the pupil size, and the visual acuity simulation, showing how the patient sees without correction with the current glasses and with the updated glasses based on this new visual exam. Then in the next pages, we see the wavefront maps for the left and right eye, and the Czerny coefficients, low and high order aberrations for both eyes. Back to the companion. Once we have connected to a QuickSee Free device, all its records would be downloaded and stored in the patient log. Even if we are not connected, we can access them. The records are arranged so that the latest results will be shown on top. If we connect to a different device, the records will also be downloaded, and then both will be accessible from this section. From the top menu, we can choose to export to CSV to generate a CSV file that lets you perform further analysis. We can click one of the records, for example, this is the one I just saw before, and we see we mainly have the main information. We can edit the patient information, we can see the results, we can open the detailed results, and we can generate the patient report. Additionally, here we can change the unit display options that let us choose which precision we want, which notation, or for example, you will prefer to show the keratometry units in millimeters. The last sections I want to show is the support that let us access the manual, contact Plenoptica, or look for updates for the companion app. In this case, it is up to date. Finally, we can choose the interface language as well as the patient report language using the button in the left menu, or also from the top menu of every page. So don't be afraid to change the language to adapt to your necessities. And well, this is everything for this session. All in all, these new updates bring a deeper level of precision and insight to patient exams. The companion app, combined with the QuickSee Free Pro keratometry, empowers professionals to manage records, analyze detailed results, and create comprehensive reports. Thank you for watching. We look forward for helping you to get the most out of these new features.